Last year when I came to Shillong, I experienced a scam by the hotel that I stayed in. I talked about it while shooting one of the vlogs then, but finally I ended up deleting the footage. The footage that you're going to see in this vlog is that deleted footage, where I described the scam. I muted the name of the hotel because I don't want to penalize one particular hotel when there may be other hotels who too may be involved in the scam. My aim is just to warn other travelers and tourists that such a scam exists.
I did not make a hotel video here in Shillong because the hotel that I was staying in, I am not impressed with them. Let me tell you briefly about what happened. So I booked that hotel from booking.com for 4 nights for 4,800. I got the confirmation from them, and the way it works is you book it and then you get the confirmation from booking.com, and then the hotel would send you the link for payment and you pay them. I did not receive that link, and it was only 2 days remaining for me to travel, so I called the hotel, telling them that I have not received the link because I wanted to make sure that everything is in order by the time I reach here. So that man told me, he asked me first when my booking dates are. I told him the booking dates. Then he said, okay, you'll be receiving the payment link tomorrow. I said fine. Tomorrow, a day before my travel, the link did not arrive. So I gave up. I thought I'll directly go to the hotel and then I'll pay them there, because if they did not send me the link, it's not my problem. When I came to the hotel, they said they do not accept bookings from booking.com, which is shocking because I have the confirmation from booking.com, they have listing on booking.com, and now they are saying that they don't accept booking from booking.com. So that booking practically is non-existent. Now I'm at the hotel. Now I need the room, and for 4 nights they won't give me for 4,800. So finally we settled for 5,400 rupees for 4 nights. So I think it's cheating. So basically what they are doing is they have a listing on booking.com so that they will get the customers from online, and then when you reach there they will tell you that they will not accept the booking, and then you have to pay another rate to them, which will be of course higher than what was shown on booking.com. So that's one thing. Another thing, this property was supposed to have Wi-Fi because on their booking.com listing it was mentioned free Wi-Fi. When I asked them about Wi-Fi password, they say that before the pandemic we had Wi-Fi, now we don't have Wi-Fi. I can see their Wi-Fi network on my phone. Hotel Wi-Fi is available, but this man is telling me that Wi-Fi is not available. So apparently for the customers, Wi-Fi is not available. So this hotel, let me tell you, it's a disgrace. So I'm not going to be giving any more footage than what you've already seen of the room a little bit in the beginning of this vlog maybe, or some other vlog. But that's it for hotel. Absolutely not recommended.